Dear students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. So we recall first once what we did in the last video. Then I'll continue the trigonometry. So in last video, we studied about trigonometric sign in different quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Quickly I'll recall once, then I'll continue. Okay. The first quadrant under theta is between 0 to 90 degree. In first quadrant, maybe remember, we know that all trigonometric ratios are positive. Okay, in first quadrant, whenever theta is between 0 to 90 degree, every trigonometric functions are positive. Very good. Second quadrant, positive. Which other trigonometric ratios are positive in second quadrant? Yes, right. Sin theta and cosecant theta. I'll just write the positive trigonometric ratios. Remember that. So if I write sin theta and cosecant theta is positive, remaining are negative. So second quadrant means theta is between 90 to 180 degree. Third quadrant theta yavudu range 180 to 270 degree. Then which other trigonometric ratios are positive in third quadrant? Yes, very good. Tan theta and cot theta. Tan theta and cot theta are the positive trigonometric ratios. That means remaining all are negative. Fourth quadrant, which is the range 270 to 360 degree. Whenever theta is between 270 to 360 degree, we are in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, which are trigonometric ratios are positive? Very good. Cos theta and secant theta, remaining all are negative. This is an important concept. So we did this in the last video, so please remember. One more important concept we learned in the last video, that is negative trigonometric ratios of negative angle, in which the first one, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. From sine, the minus sign will come out. Please remember, from sine, minus sign will come out. But from cos of minus theta, the minus sign does not come out. This minus sign from cos, it will not come out. Please remember that. Third one, tan of minus theta. Tan in the no minus sign horak baratte. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. I didn't write remaining three because remaining three just follows these three. Which trigonometric ratio is related to sine? Cosecant. So from cosecant, minus will come out. Which trigonometric ratio is related to cos? Secant. So from secant, minus sign does not come out. Which trigonometric ratio is related to tan? Cot. So from cos, minus sign will come out. So from only two trigonometric ratio, minus sign does not come out. Which are the two trigonometric ratio where minus sign is not coming out? Yes, very good. Cos theta and secant theta. From the remaining all our trigonometric function, the minus sign will come out. So please remember this information. So we did these two concepts in the last video. So now based on this concept, I'm going to solve some very important problems. So one problem, okay, three problems we'll solve out of 5 problems in exercise. So if I solve 3, you're going to solve 2 problems as a homework problem. So listen carefully, this is an important question for 3 marks or maybe for 2 marks, okay, based on the trigonometric ratios of different quadrant. Okay, so first question is cos x is equal to minus half and x lies in third quadrant. So what we should do, write one diagram where the point is belongs to third quadrant. Okay, so take a point in third quadrant, draw perpendicular to x-axis, okay, with this angle as x. Now since it is in third quadrant, its coordinates are minus x and minus y, then minus x and minus y. Okay, so what is given? Cos x is equal to minus half. So because of this, x should be is equal to minus 1. R negative hoga chance illa. So R is means radius. So R should be equal to 2. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out y. We have to find out y. How to find out y? This is a right angle triangle. So which formula we can use? The Pythagoras theorem. X square plus y square is equal to R square. So x is equal to minus 1. Y we have to find out. What is R? 2 square andre 4. So y square is equal to 3. So this implies y is equal to plus or minus root 3. Since we are in third quadrant, this y should be is equal to minus root 3. So y is equal to minus root 3. So we got all the three sides. Now we are going to write the remaining 5 trigonometric ratios. The first one, sin x bariya. Sin x. Definition of sin eno y by r. Illi y eno negative y. Okay, y by r ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, then it will be wrong. So just keep y by r and substitute the value. What is y? Minus root 3. r ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Very good. Cos x already is given, so no need to write. Tan x. Tan x definition ಏನು? y by x. Y ಏನು? Minus root 3. X minus 1. So it is plus root 3. Third one, cot x. Order change ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, nothing to worry. X by y. So it is 1 by root 3. Got it? Fourth one, cosecant x. Cosecant x definition ಏನು? r by y. R is 2. Y is minus root 3. I hope you understood. Once you get all the three sides, the remaining part is easy to write. The last one, secant x. It is a reciprocal of cos x. Cos x minus of secant x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Minus 2. Very good. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So like this, you can write remaining 5 trigonometric ratio when one trigonometric ratio is given. Understood? Very good. ಇಲ್ಲಿ important diagram ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. The next question. The next question is sin x is equal to 3 by 5, where x lies in second quadrant. So once you see this, immediately write down the diagram, because if without diagram you cannot complete this work. So please remember that. Diagram ಬರ್ದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, x axis y axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so now you should take the point in second quadrant. Second quadrant point ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Minus x comma y. X is negative, y is positive, r is always positive. So now our angle is this x. Correct? ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Sin x is given. So remaining 5 trigonometric ratios you should find out. So sin x definition ಏನು? y by r. So this implies, since y is positive, take it as it is, r is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5, y is equal to 3, r is equal to 5, and using Pythagoras theorem, what is value of x? Yeah, definitely value of x is equal to 4. The Pythagoras theorem ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. You know 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. You can use that concept also, or use this formula, you will get same thing. Okay, so therefore x must be is equal to 4. Yes, now we are ready to write the remaining the 5 trigonometric functions. Since sin x is given, I'll start with the cos x. Cos x definition second quadrant ali. Yeah, x by, one important thing is, since x is negative, ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ here better write minus 4 only. The confusion ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So let it be x is equal to minus 4. So x by r, x ಏನೋ minus 4, r ಏನೋ 5. So this is the answer to cos x. Next, tan x. Tan x definition ಏನೋ y by x. Y is 3, x is minus 4. So answer is minus 3 by 4. I hope you understood. Okay, very good. Third one, cot x. Cot x definition x by y. What is x? Minus 4. What is y? 3. So it is minus 4 by 3. I hope you understood why you are getting negative, because we are in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cot will be negative, tan will be negative. So it is minus 4 by 3. The next one, cos is over, tan is over, cot is over, sin is already given. So you have to find out next cosecant x. Cosecant x will be the reciprocal of sin x. So directly you can find out, no need to use this diagram. So 5 by 3. It's a reciprocal of sin x. Next, secant x. It is also the reciprocal of cos x. Again, no need to use a definition. What is the reciprocal of minus 4 by 5? Minus 5 by 4. So with this we completed all the 5 the trigonometric ratios. When one trigonometric ratio given, easily we can write all the remaining 5 trigonometric ratios. Remember, this diagram is very important. If you write the diagram in the first quadrant and the given problem in second quadrant, completely gone. So please remember, write the diagram in the proper position and solve very easily. The next question, the third question in the list. Secant x is equal to 13 by 5 and x lies in fourth quadrant. Now the point is in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So diagram hig baratte. Nenpili always draw that line perpendicular to x axis. Y axis bariyodalla x axis ಗೆ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. Okay. So secant x is equal to 13 by 5. X lies in fourth quadrant. So this is our angle x now. Fourth quadrant points, how it will be? Yeah, here x is positive, y will be negative. X is positive, y is negative. Radius is always positive. Okay. So now use the given data. In quadrant, secant x is equal to 13 by 5. So what is the definition of secant theta? R by x. So this implies R is equal to 13. X is equal to 5. Since x is positive, take it as it is. Which are the Pythagorean triplets here along with 5 and 13? 12. So y should be 12. But is it plus 12 or minus 12? Since we are in fourth quadrant, it should be minus 12 because y is negative. So with this information, very easily we can write all the remaining trigonometric ratio. So starting from sin x definition, you know, y by r. What is y? Minus 12 by 5. Minus 12 by r. What is r? 13. So sin x is minus 13 by 12. Next one. Cos x. Cos x easy bari. Actually, it's a reciprocal of secant x. So it is just 5 by 13. Just write the reciprocal of secant theta. You will get cos theta. Next one. Tan x. What is the definition of tan x? Y by x. What is y? Minus 12. X no 5. So it is minus 5 by 12. Next one. Fourth one. Cot x. Cot x is reciprocal of tan x. So it is minus 5 by 12. Cot x will be the reciprocal of tan x. So it is minus 5 by 12. And the last remaining is cosecant x. Cosecant x reciprocal of which one? Cosecant x will be the reciprocal of sin x. Sin x, you know, minus 12 by 13. So what is the reciprocal of minus 12 by 13? Minus 13 by 12. So with this we completed all the 5 trigonometric ratios from the first given secant x is equal to 13 by 5. So I hope it's very clear to you, right? This is an important part, important problem. So one trigonometric function is given, remaining 5 you can find out just using this concept. I hope you understood. See, out of 5 problems I solved 3. You must practice. Okay, so I'm giving 2 problems for homework. One is tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12 where x lies in second quadrant. Another one is secant x is equal to minus 5 by 4 where x lies in third quadrant. Today only you solve this and submit me. Thank you.